Wow, you just take a look at this startup PowerPoint presentation template. Yes, this is a real find. This template includes over 400 unique slides. Take a look at this awesome animation. It's crazy. Smooth animation from slide to slide attracts the eye and focuses attention on your performance. There's no need to reinvent the wheel. Everything has been done for you. You just have to customize the slides to your needs and enjoy. Look at these gorgeous photo masks. You no longer need to be an expert to insert an image into them. Just one click to select the image and it will automatically be embedded in the photo mask. The template also includes 10 color schemes, but that's not all. You can easily change colors in the entire presentation with just a couple of clicks. You can choose a ready-made color palette, and the presentation will automatically repaint all 400 slides. Want to use your corporate colors? Easy! Set the color settings and the presentation will automatically update to show that color. This product includes more than 4,000 slides, great animation, 10 ready-made color schemes, and 12 sections. Tables and tariff plans for your tasks. Our team. Tell about yourself and your team through these wonderful slides. Have something to show your customers? Use slides from the portfolio section. Are you planning an important event or conference? Use slides from the event and calendar section. Inside the gadget section is collected all kinds of phones, tablets, and laptops. Use the timeline to show your story. These modern infographics won't leave anyone indifferent. Popular isometric design or classic 3D people are ready to decorate your slides. Puzzle slides vividly illustrate complex processes. The arrow section contains 30 slides of arrows, processes, and directions. Demonstrate your plans with slides from the process section. Preparing strategic planning? Use the SWOT slides from the analysis section. You can visually distribute the budget or market share with colorful slides from the chart section. Are you actively developing media space? Do you use social networks in your business? Include social media slides in your project. And we saved the most delicious for last. 75 slides with creative photo masks. People, animals, cities, sites, brushes. No matter which mask you choose, it is important that you can insert your image in just one click. We also included in the project more than 20 slides with a vector map, so you can clearly tell about your global plans to conquer the market. And I bet you'll be surprised when you find out that you can buy all these magnificent slides for only $15. Yes, you heard that right. Only $15, and more than 4,000 slides will be yours. Why waste time and try to create a startup presentation yourself when big money and the future of your startup project are at stake? Just follow the link in the description, download the template, and use all that time you saved to prepare for your decisive performance.